We are back with our mini audit for your Pinterest account. You might see some of my previous mini audits of your Pinterest business profile. So we are choosing random profiles, and today we are going to choose something about outdoor, maybe grilling, we will see, and we're going to give some tips to this profile, how to increase maybe the impressions and how to get more customers, more users from Pinterest to your website or any kind of e-shop or blog. I'm Michaela, and I'm here to help you and show you the potential of Pinterest for your business. I specialize to help and drive traffic to your e-commerce store, and also business owners to drive and increase the revenue for your any website, shop, blog, anywhere you want to drive traffic from. So I am here to show you, and I'm doing these mini audits for free of random accounts, which I do weekly, and so you can actually see how I work. And if you want to book a 20 minutes call for free, you can book it here, click on the link in the description, and we can talk about how you can scale your business using Pinterest. So let's go to the video and mini audit. Today, our random account will be in the niche of outdoor ideas. Let's go with the outdoor ideas. Let's see what it's going to bring. We are choosing random accounts. I will go with the best one. I think it will be the best. So we can go, and I will actually choose profiles here. So it will be easier for us to see if there are actually profiles with this keyword. And we can just go with home design ideas. I like this one. So let's have a look. We have floor pillows to sit on. So I actually like this. I think it, for me, looks a little bit blurry. I'm not sure if it's on my side or if it's a little bit like blurry, the picture behind, or if it's the intention, then it's fine. I would probably maybe put more pictures, like visually appealing pictures of the floor pillows or any kind of new collection. If this is the thing for, this is the trending topic right now, maybe it's a new collection, as I think floor pillows. I would probably put more pictures of these and with some people sitting actually on these floor pillows, so I can imagine how it looks like. And in the cover image, I would put like furniturefashion.com here. So I also can see straight away that this is some kind of e-shop or any kind of website there with the home design ideas. I'm going to click on this website, on this link. Meanwhile, we're going to go back. This is probably the logo, I guess, furniture design, not sure. Furniture fashion, not sure if this is the logo. Let's have a look. Let's have a look on the website so we can actually see. All right, so furniture fashion, this is the logo. Okay, this is the small version of the logo. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, we could actually use even this logo here, put it in the circle and put it here because it looks better than the F, but I mean, it's okay if they have this brand like this. Let's see the title of this profile: home design ideas and outdoor creations for you. Yeah, not bad, very good. I mean, home design ideas, that's a pretty good one. Let's see the description here. Home design, home organization, bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, cellar, garage, patio. Yeah, I mean, this is a lot of keywords, let's say stuff keywords here. There will be much more, it will be better if they use some kind of sentences. I'm not sure if this is like a blog site. I'm just checking their website, how we could use it further. It looks a little bit strange, but if you go to outdoor, the hero image here, it's not really visible. I'm not sure if it's actual picture now, but yeah, I'm not sure. But there is some post, elevator space with a vibrant, versatile chair. I mean, I don't know if I can buy this or if it's just a blog post. Not sure, but let's go back to Pinterest. I would definitely put something like, let's get some ideas, home design ideas, and design your home the best way you want, or design your dream home with our, I don't know, something like design, decoration, for your bedroom, kitchen, living room, etc. So I would definitely work on this better. I would put different keywords and sentences, not just like home design, bathroom, bedroom. Yeah, there are so many other keywords you could target, because at the end it's bathroom, bedroom, kitchen. It's a lot of like very broad keywords. So I would change this description to something much more specific. Let's have a look. So we have a lot of boards, and of course some of them are not related at all to the business. Again, jewelry, emperors, something I would archive this board. Home aquariums, not sure if this is something to do with the business. Health and fitness, for sure not. Fireplaces, right. It depends if they write, let's say, blog posts about all these parts. Men's gadgets, yeah, I mean, bathroom ideas, not bad. Bedroom ideas, kitchen, home decor, furniture, outdoor life. Let's see the outdoor life and furniture and fun. Each board should have own board description with the optimized keywords again. So we are just having a lot of different boards. This one has description with the names of your famous designers. Sounds good. I mean, I would definitely work on this description a little bit better. And I would archive some of them. They are not related. And there are too many boards. I would say some of them are very similar, like kitchen bar stool ideas. That's very, very specific. And designs, I would probably remove the kitchen bar stool ideas, because that's the only, like, you can only put the boards here, I mean pins here about bar stool ideas, which is a little bit limited. So I would merge some of these boards and change them and add all the descriptions. And the paints, of course, for home decor, for niche like this, you want the paints to be always visually appealing, and definitely not like these pictures from the e-shop where you see the white background. It's a classic e-commerce store background where there is no any additional value to this pin. It's a small, it doesn't have the right size. There is nothing visually appealing. The keywords, I mean, it's not that this doesn't give me anything extra for the paint. So even like I don't really care at this point if it's by Newman for Prostoria, because what I want to know is not the length of the sofa, etc. I want to know why I should buy it. So what is the benefit of this sofa? Maybe I can just make it the way I want to design it yourself, you know. So definitely all the paint should be vertical, ratio 2:3. I mean, some of them are very nice pictures, images, but of course you want to have keywords here, furniture, fashion. Yeah, but of course, 97% of Pinterest, of user search, is unbranded. So they are not going to search this brand because they might not even know it. They will search probably like design, bed, maybe design of furniture, I would say design bed or something like that. Bed for your dream bedroom, something like that. Design a bed for your bedroom. Yeah, so all the keywords, and this goes for all the paints. Yeah, you might have some of these nice images, but of course I would suggest some videos, always vertical paints, and which have optimized keywords and style and description. If I click on these paints, let's see where it's going to drive me to. Yeah, that page can be found. So yeah, there are a lot of probably broken links. So that's a shame, because furniture and basically home design decor ideas, it's always one of the best niche you can be in on Pinterest. And users are, that's where Pinterest started, right? With the home decor. So I would do totally different paints, more visually appealing, and of course, keyword optimized. This was mini audit for random Pinterest business profile. If you like, also, if you want your Pinterest account to be audited, just put your profile here. Every week I do many audits like this. I will choose a random profiles, or if you want me to do audit of your profile, of course, put it here and I will do your profile in the next video. And if you like my videos about Pinterest marketing tips for e-commerce store and how you can scale your business with Pinterest, subscribe here because every week we have new videos, and I hope to see you next week with more tips and tricks.